My third update on very intense Cyclone FREDDY as of February 19th, 2023 at 7:30 in the morning Mauritius time. Now an extremely dangerous situation is continuing to unfold as FREDDY is on the verge of getting Category 5 status, with winds up to 155 miles per hour or 250 kilometers per hour and a pressure of 929 millibars. It is located around 16.7 degrees south, 67 degrees east, moving west-southwest at 14 miles per hour or 22 kilometers per hour. Now here's the latest JTWC cone. They are expecting the storm to attain Category 5 status as it approaches Rodriques, but it will be a brief peak as it will weaken to Category 4 status and remain in Category 4 status as it passes by Mauritius, La Réunion, and making landfall in Madagascar. After that, it could re-strengthen in the Mozambique Channel after crossing Madagascar. And we do have warnings in effect. We have a Class 2 warning in effect for Rodriques, a Class 1 warning for Mauritius, and a yellow cyclone warning for La Réunion. Now here's what the statistical models are saying. Shear is on a decline, and sea surface temperatures and relative humidity will not be a problem. The storm is expected. Now the models are saying the storm will strengthen a little bit more into a Category 5 status, which would kind of follow the JTWC's forecast cone. Now here's what the HWRF is saying, and the HWRF is underplaying it, I've got to say, but it does expect quite the strengthening in the Mozambique Channel. But as for the trek before Madagascar, it's underplaying it, keeping it around a low-end Category 4 and slowly weakening as it approaches Madagascar and making landfall there. Now here's a new slide: rainfall accumulation. As by the GFS, the GFS expecting up to 175 millimeters of rain on the east coast of Madagascar. So it will be a strong landfall. I'm personally expecting this to make landfall as a Category 4. But the storm, I think, is quite small still. And it's moving quite fast, so not as much rain as you would expect. But still quite a significant amount of rain, 175 millimeters. Here are the sea surface temperatures. As I've said, they're not going to be a problem for the storm, and they've continually not been a problem for the storm its whole life. 28 degrees up to landfall in Madagascar, potentially 29 degrees in the Mozambique Channel. And here is the latest satellite imagery. Now the storm has blown up in the last several hours. It was 140 miles per hour or 230 kilometers per hour as of 18Z, so around what was that, 9 hours ago? But it is blown up in convection, as you see here in the first frames of this loop. You can see the cloud tops, the paint cloud tops circle the storm for a bit. On the Dvorak imagery, the storm briefly obtained DT 7.5, which is pretty deep into Category 5 territory. As of right now, I'm pretty sure the DT is laying around 7.0. So extremely dangerous situation playing out. Those in Rodriques are running out of time to prepare. Mauritius, La Réunion, and Madagascar need to start preparations if they haven't already. And Mozambique needs to be keeping an eye on this cyclone.